I don't explain them. They explain me at times.
We don't.
What lies? Please.
See, we do a reading together and we devise how to, choreograph the scene. What are they comfortable with and what am I looking into the scene. So that's how we go about any scene, be it humor, comedy, as in tense, any romantic scenes. At times they come up with a lot of good things and that adds. Um, Basically, it's not a one-man show. You can't do everything single-handedly. You need your actors to understand, be on the same page.
Okay, the moments that are very popular and people talk about, how do you explain a moment?
I tell you the truth, I don't explain it.
The best part about working with Raj sir is that he's not stuck up. I've worked with so many directors.
Yeah, who are sometimes very
stuck up.
rigid about the way
Yeah.
they look at a scene.
And they would want exactly to be done in that manner. But with Raj sir, it's like we can come and discuss. He listens to us because then what happens is that we also get into a comfort zone. We can also discuss with him and sometimes it turns out to be really nice because when you know that the director is confident about you also want to improve and you also want to come up with better things, come up with even if sometimes it's sometimes what happens is lighting changes changing lighting takes a lot of time. So sometimes we're not here on the set or probably we're shooting somewhere and we come and say sir, this is probably the way I thought it was, and then he would go okay, lighting change. So it's like that, it's not very difficult to convince him. It's not very difficult to make him understand. We probably now that we've worked already, we worked 6 months together. I think we're now on the same thing. But even when that was not there, we could actually come and discuss, try to understand what his
Also, I think almost all the time I have been very convinced with his choreography.
Yeah.
And we've been, because sometimes everybody thinks about a scene differently. So I am always very convinced about his choreography and what he thinks about a scene. It's almost all the time, I mean, similar to what I would want it to be like. So I'm very happy.
Tell us some of the cues that would give you while you're doing a scene.
Oh, his
Yeah,
cues are-
just his
his
cues are also hilarious.
Yeah.
In the middle of the promo right now, he was saying "Waqt ne hame wagera wagera," and
Yeah. His cues are like if it's if for example it's like a view और वो बीप 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 उसकी बीप 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 और ये खत्म okay it's
yeah,
like that.
like in all serious videos, he'll give such cues.
We spend a lot of time together, a good 12 to 14 hours every day.
Right.
So it's more of like extended family. You share your problems, your laughter, your emotions, whatever. So you can't be highly professional. It can't be a professional relationship only, because then your mind gets stuck. You get fixed. Even the days you're down, you'll be more down because you can't bounce your thoughts to anybody you work with. So obviously these cues are like just okay, I know you'll do it. You don't need cues. So okay, just for the heck of it, just for the editor to know that this is the voice. So I give cues like okay, हाँ अब मैं तुम्हारा बैंड बजा दूंगा. No, it's like
It's
okay,
fun.
anything. And at times what happens is the AD is running somewhere else to get, and I don't have a script, so I just know the
He
beginning.
makes up his own.
He makes
So I make my own script. The gist should remain the same.
Yeah.
Okay, now you'll give the look, and that's how I'll shoot it.
So
The way we
what
do
we
it.
want to do is we'd probably want to do, if you allow us, when you're shooting a scene today, we would want to do one with you guys just so that we can capture it, and whatever
Yeah.
you say, that particular scene will then reciprocate with what we.
I am not shooting in his unit today.
Today she was
Yeah.
shooting with me. Now she's shooting with the other director. I am shooting with him. We'll shoot an action sequence again.
Yeah.
Great, so we love those cues.
Which we shot day before yesterday also. So now which got telecasted yesterday.
Day before yesterday
Yeah.
was fun.
It was fun for us, not for him.
So it's
because he
not
was
only
injured.
comedy.
I think it was fun for me as well. If it wasn't
Because
fun,
he was injured and his head was aching, and he had to shoot with one very senior non-actor. And
I like him. And the best is, whenever you should look at Raipsa when he's frustrated with an actor. It's hilarious. Until that actor is not you. It's hilarious. And then we have this action sequence. Everybody, I mean, we had two cameras, and we had one senior cameraman, and the second senior cameraman was Raib sir. He had the camera all the time, and you know, it's 12 in the afternoon. It's hot, it's humid, and we're doing it outdoor. And but no, it's an action sequence. It's a boy thing, and we three boys, Raib sir, me, and Shekhar, who's our senior most cameraman. We had a blast, and by the end of the day, we we had to. I don't know. I hadn't slept too well. Plus too much heat, and I had not taken too much of liquids. So I had to after every take. I had to come take a tablet, and Raib sir would be at my back holding my head because it was paining that
His head was hurting so badly by the time we shifted indoors. It was
Right.
what 7 o'clock, and he couldn't walk because at one point he just told me that because of this light I can't see anything.
Yeah, I couldn't see.
And
The
see,
reflectors kill you, isn't it?
there are two ways of reacting. Oh boy, then there's okay. Chalo, he needs, obviously he's worked hard and he jumped and kicked and did whatnot that day. And
And
being over enthusiastic about action myself, so I expect the same from him, and he reciprocates in the same manner. So we were doing everything, without duplicate. No, he'll do it. You'll do it, na? Yeah, he'll do it. Like that. So I enjoyed. He also enjoyed, but he got hurt.
That's okay. That's a part. The hurt part wasn't that bad, but the heat was what was taking it.
And the headache and the senior most non-actor.
Oh my God.
You're most non-actor.
Yeah, because all he had to do was open the door and come in and ask him what happened, and he couldn't do that. So at times it's frustrating, and I'm explaining it to him. I lost it. He was explaining it to him. He lost it. Then obviously we took a 5-minute break to cool ourselves down, and then I just went inside and I told him, "इस बार नहीं कराना तो समझ लेना क्या होगा." And that time he did. And Mr. Kundra also did something.
Tell us what you did.
I didn't do anything major. Sometimes in action sequences, I mean, all the times in action sequences, you're supposed to cheat. You're not supposed to actually hurt the person. Well, I just forgot that for a while.
So that's it, guys, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much
Thank you
for the
so
interview.
What am I supposed to say now?
I don't know.
Bye.
Bye, see ya. Take care. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much.